Today I'm in Dubai Harbor, and you can see all the arches are here. People are enjoying life, and it's class done. Thank you, Habibi. So we deliver cake in this boat. It's called Serenity Yatch. They host birthday parties and all other parties, probably celebrations. Yeah, it's a nice place. People are enjoying life, bro. People in Dubai have money. Yeah, so the people who have money, this is where they come and do their thing. So yeah, also you can come as a group. I've seen a group, and we have a big what do we call it? We have a ship there. So I'm forgetting the name. I'm just excited because the first time to see it. I always see it on YouTube, some of them, but now it's my first experience. I've been ever in marina, but not this close to the boats. Yeah, so it's a great experience, and you can see we have a cruise ship on the other side there. Cruise ship. So my driver is waiting for me, so I'll be in a hurry. Don't want him to cause problem for me, but we have a cruise ship there. So that means we have so many tourists there. So it is an experience, a good experience. And yeah, it's a good life. Yeah. You can tell people are enjoying life. By enjoying life here in Dubai. That is a cruise ship, and that is Marina Beach for you. That is Marina Beach for you. Yeah, it's a great place to be. You can come as a group, pay for a boat ride, and they'll take you. Yeah. Let me say, my first time, and I love it. My first time, and I love it. Yeah. First time, and it's beautiful. It is really beautiful. Yeah. Yes, how are you?